Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you on the MacBook Neo. In the background you can see my MacBook Neo here, and I'll be showing you how to check the specs of your specifications of your MacBook Neo. Now depending on which model you get, the configuration can be different in terms of the storage and of course the capacity. So this is very important in case you need to verify what you have gotten in terms of storage, and of course in terms of your model. You can also gather your serial information and other important information, and especially if later on variations of this were to be created, you can actually verify which versions you have based on these specifications. All right, so the first thing you're going to do guys to check your specs is to go ahead, you're going to click on your Apple logo in the upper left. It's going to bring up this context menu. You're going to select about this Mac. Once you do, it's going to appear here. It says MacBook Neo. It gives you the chip information right here. It says Apple A18 Pro, and that's a chip in this particular model. This is the Apple A18 Pro. So this is the version of the MacBook Neo that has the A18 processor, which is the A18 Pro. It gives you your serial information in terms of to identify your device, the amount of memory, which is 8 gigabytes, and of course this is running Tahoe 26.4.1 according to the date of this video. Now if you need more information, you're going to go ahead and click on more information, and it's going to bring up this full spec sheet. It gives the name, the chip again, the memory information, your serial number, your warranty, and of course it gives the version of Mac. It tells the resolution of the screen, and if I go down a little, it will also tell me the hard drive, and you can see here this is the hard drive, and you can see I have 192.28 gigabytes available of 245 gigabytes. So that's my storage, and that's how you check the specifications of your MacBook Neo. All right, so now you can actually verify based on the version that you were told you would get, to verify what's there, and you can actually keep track of your storage and more. I hope that was helpful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.